Let's talk about these chocolate donuts because yes, they're indulgent, but every ingredient is doing something for your body, not against it. First up, the sweeteners. I'm using a blend of whole blended dates and unsweetened applesauce, which means all the sugar is naturally bound to fiber. That slows glucose absorption and keeps your blood sugar stable, unlike free sugars that spike and crash your energy. Instead of refined white flour, I'm using gluten-free oat flour, which is rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that supports heart health, digestion, and even cholesterol regulation. Plus, it's a whole grain, and your gut microbiome actually knows how to handle it. Then I add sunflower seed protein powder, a complete plant-based protein that's rich in B vitamins, selenium, and magnesium. It's gentle on the gut, allergen friendly, and helps make this donut actually satisfying. And for that deep chocolate flavor, I'm using raw cacao, which is a powerhouse of polyphenols and flavonols. These compounds are linked to improved blood flow, skin health, and cognitive function. Not to mention, cacao is one of the richest plant sources of magnesium, which supports muscle recovery, hormone balance, and mood. And to finish it off, I'm topping each one with pieces of mode chocolate from Canada, my favorite treat with no added sugar, no sugar alcohols, and no added flavors. It's sweetened with monk fruit, which has zero glycemic impact, and it still tastes rich, smooth, and indulgent. These donuts are proof that you can satisfy your sweet tooth and nourish your body at the same time. No blood sugar spikes, no crashes, no guilt. Just fiber, antioxidants, minerals, protein, pure joy in donut form.